Ever opened your Samsung keyboard and saw your emoji history just staring back at you like, hey, remember me? Yeah, kinda awkward, right? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to completely clear your emoji history so you can start fresh. No more old emoji drama. All right, here's how you do it. Grab your Samsung phone and let's go step by step. First, head over to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Now, find and select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap About Samsung Keyboard. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a little information icon. Yep, tap that. From here, go to Storage. Now, hit Clear Data, and then tap Delete to confirm. That's it. Open your keyboard again, check your emojis, and boom, emoji history gone, like it never existed. So next time someone borrows your phone, they won't see your interesting emoji choices. If you found this helpful, drop a like and maybe share it with a friend who needs a little emoji cleanup too.